Right, welcome back. Bit of a mad dash today. I've just got back from Tan Hill, been in, had a shower, sorted my stuff out, put some more stuff in the van, and I'm going back out again. So I'm going to head down to Chester, meet up with the lads, stay over, and then we've got a meet tomorrow at Chocks Away. So I'm going to go and get some fuel and some bits and bobs, and I'll see you when I get there. Ciao. Just like that, I'm here. So, just rocked up in Little Rodeo car park in Chester. So I think we're going to stay here for the night. Football's on as well, so we're going to get a screen up on the side of the van, watch the footy. And I don't know when he's coming, but I think I'm the first here in a minute, but should be good. So, see you in a bit.
Back on car park.
It's when you see them all in a bit and they'll all start congregating. Can we bring our chairs right there?
Anthony Gordon is playing for Barcelona. Yeah. He's a class player. He just didn't play very classy.
I don't know if he's actually signed, but obviously it's him, isn't it? Kim, what's his name?
I can't even think what his name is myself now.
What's that noise?
What was that?
Did you hear that then? Mark,
What's that name?
come from you.
Thomas what? Tinkle.
No,
That's it. Tinkle.
No, it's not.
Tinkle.
No, not City's manager.
Oh,
Got enough water in it?
That's Maresco.
Who's he?
Chicken mutton, I know my film right up.
I don't know who he
No,
was.
I don't know what.
Well, he's been at Chelsea, hasn't he, before? And he was number 2 under Pep at one point, wasn't he?
Good morning. Right, it's probably what? 7:30. Been in the shower, sorted a lot of stuff out, even put some suntan cream on because it's gonna be red hot. So, brew time I think, have a coffee, have some tea, and then we're going to head to Chocks Away for this meet. Didn't do a great deal last night, we just sat around the van, watched the England match, and then went to bed. Wasn't too bad actually, I thought it'd be red hot, but it was alright. Anyway, I'll get sorted out and hopefully we'll see you at the meet. Right, we're en route down to Chocks Away. Hopefully we'll get a few vans in today. I think last time we were here was just before Christmas, I think it was. And we had 130, I think it was, from memory. So hopefully it's the same again. No doubt we'll find out in about an hour. Dad.
Nick, do you want a brew?
No, I'm alright, pal.
You sure?
Yeah. Drink another brew, I'll keep it pussy.
They're not fancy ones, right?
We've already got a few caddies here. Got 4 crafters, some transporters, and it hasn't even got to 10 o'clock yet when the people are meant to come, but never mind.
the last meet that I went to.
Glenn, you've left your cup.
Don't forget the windscreen.
What's happening? Right, I thought the real one was squishy a month.
I thought she said stitches.
3 squishies?
You got your cup.
Oh yeah.
It was full until I knocked it over earlier.
Macky Mac. So who's paid the £9? Is that your pen? Is that or? Just missed that camera.
You didn't get that, did you?
MCS campers are the biggest jokers I've ever come across in my life.
I heard that as well. You might have furthest travel here as well.
I know, yeah.
Right, as per usual, haven't filmed a lot, too busy talking. But we've got 6 crafters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crafters. Got the Transporter Boyz over there. And as per usual, we've got 10 squillion caddies. Over there, look, you can see them. All lined up. Down there. And down there. Actually, some have gone already. Got some more on there. Yeah, we've got a Mark 1, we've got Sean's, got mine, Mike's. It's a nice one, it's like a Nardo grey colour. Another Mark 1. Just on the, starting to do it up in the back. Getting there. And with the caddies. We've got Glenn. That's nice. The helicopter. Desmondo. Sure he dodges the flies on the way down. Never a mark on it. Excuse me.
Sorry, Paul. Put it away. That's definitely fucking dead.
Oh yeah, I've got that.
There's no have to get a new smoke.
Oh, look at that bonnet. It's tidy. See that?
They're the slimline.
Right, the sun's come out, absolutely famished, so a couple of burgers, air fryer. Oh yeah. Right, that's another meet over. Windswept. Quite a few turned up. which is good. But gonna head home now. 2.5 hours home, so we'll see you in the next one.